In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Journal app on iPhone. So I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is find the Journal app on my home screen or in my app library, wherever it's currently located. Once I see the Journal app, I'm going to tap and hold on it for a moment. You want to keep your finger there just long enough for the quick menu to appear. After a second, that menu pops up, and now I can see the options for managing the app. From this menu, I'm looking for Remove App. Once I see that, I'm going to tap on it. As soon as I do, another prompt appears with the next option I need. This is the part where the iPhone asks me what I want to do with the app, and since I want to completely remove it, I'm going to choose Delete App. Now I can see Delete App, and I'm tapping on that option. Once I do, the Journal app is deleted from the iPhone. That's really the whole process. It only takes a few taps, and once you know where the option is, it becomes very easy to remove apps you no longer want. I'll just go through that again while I'm here so it's easy to follow. First, I found the Journal app on the iPhone. Then I tapped and held the app icon until the menu showed up. After that, I chose Remove App, and then I selected Delete App. That final tap is what removes the Journal app from the iPhone. If you're following along with me on your own phone, just make sure you're holding the Journal app long enough for the quick menu to appear. If you let go too fast, you may not see the options right away, so just keep your finger there for a moment until the menu opens. Once that appears, the rest goes very quickly. So I'm still on the screen where the Journal app was, and after choosing Delete App, the icon disappears. That's how you know it worked. If the Journal app is no longer showing on your screen after the deletion, then it has been removed from the iPhone. This is one of the easiest ways to delete an app because you can do it directly from the home screen without opening settings or going through extra menus first. You just find the app, hold it, choose Remove App, and then tap Delete App. It's very direct. And it works well when you already know exactly which app you want to remove. If you've never done this before, the only thing to remember is that Remove App comes first, and then Delete App is the option that actually removes it. So as I'm going through it, I'm just following that order carefully and making sure I tap the correct choice when the prompt appears. I'll say the path one more time to keep it really clear. Find the Journal app, tap and hold it, choose Remove App, and then choose Delete App. That's all there is to it. There's no extra setting to change, and there's no save button after that. The app is removed as soon as you confirm the delete option. So if you were trying to figure out the quickest way to delete the Journal app on iPhone, this is a very simple way to do it. Everything happens right from the home screen, and it only takes a moment once you know the steps. Once that's done, you can go back to using your iPhone normally, and the Journal app will no longer be there. So that's how to delete Journal app on iPhone. Just tap and hold the Journal app, choose Remove App, and then choose Delete App. That's the full process from start to finish.